We have learned how to create new email ID, how to compose the ID, compose the email, and now in this video we will learn about how to do the formatting in an email while you are writing something. So this is the email where we'll be writing everything and we'll learn about the things. So let's say I'm writing, hi John, hope you are doing well. Please find attached details. Regards. Now, let's say I want to highlight something or I want to do something. So first learn this thing. This is undo. Like I'm doing clicking it, so it is removing my last task. This is redo. Mean I have done something undo, but I want it again. So I will click on this and then it would be following it. Let's say this thing. This is going to change the font style. There are few pre-decided fonts. We can select any. According to that, we can see the font has been changed. You can see I'm changing for every line, so you can see the difference here. Now let's come to the this part. This is the size of the text. Let's say I have selected this text. Now I'm clicking on very small, normal, large, and huge. Hope you understood that what it is for. Now let's come to the bold. Using this we can do anything: bold, italic, underline, and here we do have few colors. Let's say I want to do it yellow for this line, so this is going to be yellow. I want to change the background of this. I have done this. This is alignment. I want it to be centered in the email. I want it to be left or right. Generally we use right alignment. I want points here, so this is something. Now automatically it would take points here, and these are multiple options like this, bullet if you want. So these are the things we can use accordingly. If I want to remove formatting of something, let's say this, so everything has been removed. Okay, these are different functions which we can use for this. Now let's say I want to attach a file, so I'll click on this and then I can select any file from my system and it would be attached here. This is the hyperlink. I want to use any hyperlink, let's say hello, and I want to open up any website and apply. Apply. Now whenever cursor would go on this, so google.com would be opened if I want to do. Here we do have multiple emojis. As usual, you must be using in phone as well. So these are very common things. This is something to insert in Drive. We will cover up complete Drive thing in later session. It would be stretched along. Inserting a photo, we'll click on this. We can select photos from Google Photos, or we want to upload from the desktop, or we have any URL. So using this we can do. This is not too much usable. If you want to insert signature, we'll click here. We can draft the signatures. Again, we'll cover in future discussions. And these are the basic options, I think. And if I want to delete this, so just I need to click on this. It would be deleted. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please comment if anything is missed or you want to be like you want more information on that. Thank you.